Hi, Owen here from PCL. Today we're talking about the AirForce II Tyre Inflator. This is a mechanical dial type inflator. It has a 1/4 inch brass female BSP air inlet. Comes in a variety of different hose lengths and tyre valve connector styles, and goes up to a maximum of 12 bar or 170 PSI. So the AirForce II dial type gauge, again 1/4 inch female BSP inlet port. Insert your adapter, bit of PTFE tape on the thread, secure it, and then that's ready to be connected to your airline. So with the AirForce II, once you've got your air inlet connector fitted, hook up your airline hose and you're ready to inflate or deflate your tyre. Connect the tyre inflator to the tyre. Ensure you get a full seal, there's no leaks, and it's going to show the pressure inside. So at the moment 22 PSI or 1.5 bar. So the PSI increments is every 2 PSI and the bar is every 0.1 of a bar. So we're going to target 30 PSI to inflate. So to inflate, fully depress the blue lever, and during inflation you can let go, check the pressure, pretty much bang on 30. To deflate, press the deflate button until you get to your desired pressure, and then once you've finished, remove the tyre valve connector and the inflator and put your valve cap back on. The standard model has a dual pressure display, both in bar and PSI. Again, another calibrated and approved unit. So there's not much required for maintenance. Just make sure you're checking your tyre valve connector ends for any wear. Same with the hose. Ensure you store the inflator away from the ground. It comes in a variety of different hose lengths and connector types as well.